Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your one-stop channel for the latest tech insights and product reviews. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about comfort and ergonomics, the Gimars Ergonomic Mousepad. If you're looking to enhance your computing experience, stick around, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our reviews. Whether you're a pro gamer or spend long hours working at your computer, the Gimars Ergonomic Mousepad has got your back, or rather, your wrist. This mousepad is made of improved super soft, smooth, and breathable material. It features comfortable memory foam, providing you with a lightweight, comfortable, and durable surface to work on. Plus, it's ergonomic, so it's ideal for those marathon computing sessions. Worried about your mousepad sliding around during intense gaming or work? Fear not. The non-skid rubber base ensures a heavy grip, preventing any unwanted movement. Double sticking and press handling for the edges provide a flat and smooth surface, so you won't have to deal with any rolling or splitting issues. Need space to maneuver your mouse? This mousepad comes in at a large size of 10*8.61 inch. And there's more. It also includes a 17.31-inch keyboard wrist pad. These additions improve your hand and wrist posture, helping you avoid joint and wrist problems. Say goodbye to elbow and shoulder stress during those long computer sessions. The mousepad features a wrist rest designed with a groove, offering an even better fit for your hand. The keyboard pad, on the other hand, stands still while typing. It's all about providing a relaxing and comfortable experience, whether you're at home, in the office, or even at a cybercafe. Ever wished for better wrist support during those marathon work or gaming sessions? It offers comfortable and persistent support to your wrist, so you can keep going without the discomfort. Gamers and designers, listen up. The soft, smooth, and breathable lycra fabric of this mousepad allows for fast and precise mouse movements. It's all about pinpoint accuracy, making it perfect for gaming or detailed design work. Tired of your mousepad slipping and sliding? It stays put, so you can stay focused on what matters. To wrap it up, the Gimars Ergonomic Mousepad is a must-have for anyone who values comfort and functionality at their computer. Whether you're an office worker, a gamer, or a creative professional, this mousepad has got you covered. Your wrists and hands will thank you. If you found this review helpful and you're ready to level up your computing experience, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech innovations and reviews. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll catch you in the next video.